जैसे जी आगे क्या होने वाला है बताइए।
Okay, आगे we are going to play a small game with all of you. We are going to give you some clues. You have to recognize who from FIA we are talking about.
Oh, so you're going to be talking about the people behind.
Of FIA.
Oh.
ठीक है? The first person that I'm going to talk about, he is very down to earth, very humble.
डाउन टू अर्थ। अच्छा, ओके।
He just wears one dress in every event.
मतलब
एक
कपड़ों से बिल्कुल लगाव नहीं है।
बिल्कुल नहीं है, एक ही ड्रेस पहन के आते हैं।
ओके।
फोटो का बिल्कुल शौक नहीं है इनको।
तो फिर FIA में क्या कर रहे हैं?
नहीं, सोशल मीडिया में इनका एक भी पिक्चर आपको कहीं नहीं मिलेगा।
Really?
एक भी नहीं।
He's such a grounded person. वो अपनी वाइफ के बगैर कहीं जाते नहीं है।
वाइफ के बगैर नहीं जाते, अपनी वाइफ के बगैर नहीं जाते। अच्छा, ओके।
Any guesses who we are talking about? Okay. हाँ? सुनील शेट्टी। वो फिल्मों में यार क्या बात कर रहे हो? इधर से गैस लांबा साहब, आप लूंबा साहब, गैस कोई? हाँ? सुरेश भाई बॉडी वाला के लिए जोरदार तालियां। सुरेश भाई बॉडी वाला।
सुरेश भाई बॉडीवाला is the only person who can even call सुनील भाई बेटा इधर बैठ जाओ, बेटा बेटा इधर आ जाओ।
He is the only person वो दादा को भी बेटा बना सकते हैं।
बिल्कुल।
ओके, बाय द वे जिसका नाम हम ले रहे हैं, एनी गेसेस? इधर से कोई आया था? इधर से कौन? Who? That is right, Mr. Sunil Shah. बहुत ही प्लीज वेलकम the FIA chairman Sunil Shah with Rita Shah, FIA director on the stage. जोरदार तालियां, he deserves. देखो एक ही कपड़ा पहन के आए हैं आज भी, ब्लैक एंड व्हाइट, वेरी सिंपल। आज भी उन्होंने सुरेश बॉडीवाला को बोल दिया मेरा पिक्चर नहीं लेना। अब सेलिब्रिटी हैं, लोग पीछे पड़ जाते हैं पिक्चर के, क्या करें सुनील भाई?
अच्छा, तो इस हिंट पे से मुझे लग रहा है कि और भी हिंट्स बहुत ही बढ़िया आने वाले हैं।
Yes, but जोरदार तालियां, the founder chairman of FIA, Mr. Sunil Shah and Rita Shah.
बिल्कुल, absolutely. You know, when people say better half, I think she is an epitome of beauty and grace.
Absolutely.
Rita ji, I think Sunil ji is equally lucky to have you in his life.
That's right.
And I think they both deserve a great round of applause. Come on,
Big
people,
round of
Sunil and
applause.
Rita Shah right here for you.
Absolutely. Okay, next hint जो है ना, I bet you आप पकड़ नहीं पाएंगे। Next hint है, ये जो इंसान है ना, ये कभी ऊंची हवा में नहीं उड़ते, ग्राउंडेड रहते हैं।
मतलब सादा जीवन उच्च विचार।
सादा जीवन उच्च विचार।
ओह, क्या बात।
Can you guess who it is?
कभी घमंड नहीं किया, कभी
घमंड नहीं किया। कोई इनको कोई अवार्ड दे तब भी नहीं लेते, चाहे भारत का गौरव हो, चाहे इंडिया का गौरव हो, चाहे अमेरिका का गौरव हो।
क्या बात कर रहे हो?
कभी लेते ही नहीं है।
मतलब इनके घर में अवार्ड कैसी कोई चीज नहीं है।
उन्होंने अवार्ड की शेल्फ ही गिरा दिया, बोले मेरे को अवार्ड नहीं चाहिए। ये शिकागो के आमिर खान है।
भाई इनसे तो मैं मिलना चाहूंगा, कहाँ है वो?
Can you guess this person?
हैं? क्या बात?
नील कोट के लिए जोरदार तालियां। The vice chairman of FIA, Mr. नील कोट, जिनको अभी भारत गौरव का अवार्ड मिला है।
बिल्कुल सही बात है।
जोरदार तालियां। नील भाई आ जाओ।
Please put your hands together for Neil Kote. Everybody knows him. He's a tech leader. He's an entrepreneur.
Philanthropist.
Please welcome.
Woohoo! Tech leader, entrepreneur and FIA vice chairman नील कोट के लिए जोरदार तालियां। आप एक्चुअली सब शाही हैं।
ऑलमोस्ट शाही हो गए वो भी।
हाँ। ओके, नेक्स्ट पर्सन जो है ना, आई थिंक मैं एक ही हिंट दूंगा, सब पहचान जाएंगे। इनको गाने का बिल्कुल शौक नहीं है, इनमें कोई टैलेंट नहीं है, इनमें कोई प्रतिभा नहीं है।
क्या बात कर रहे हो?
लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन, प्रेजेंटिंग द करंट FIA प्रेसिडेंट प्रतिभा जयराज, द लेडी इन द पिंक। देखिए आज दो लेडीज इन द पिंक है, एक तो ये है और एक हमने सरप्राइज में छुपा रखी है।
हाँ जी।
तो जोरदार तालियां, शायद प्रतिभा जी को पता लग गया था कि आज पिंक का रिवील होने वाला है कुछ। जोरदार तालियां, लुकिंग ब्यूटीफुल
एज ऑलवेज।
ऑलराइट, एक और पर्सनैलिटी है,
पर्सनैलिटी है
हाँ, जो हमेशा टाइम पर पहुंचती हैं।
ये तो हो ही नहीं सकता।
ऑलवेज ऑन टाइम एंड वो ज्यादा और जगह कमिटमेंट करती नहीं है।
नहीं, एक ही जगह
वन ऑर्गेनाइजेशन वन वुमन।
आप सही बोल रहे हैं, गलत तो नहीं बोल रहे?
हाँ, मतलब
कि एक ही टाइम पे 10 जगह कमिटमेंट करते हैं?
नहीं, कभी होता ही नहीं है।
अच्छा।
और पूरा शिकागो को अपने बच्चों की तरह पहनाती है अपने बच्चों की तरह. एवरीवन इज मेरा बेटा, मेरा लड्डू, मेरा लालू.
तो आज मदर्स डे है ना, ये पूरे शिकागो की अम्मा ही तो है.
एग्जैक्टली. पुट योर हैंड्स टुगेदर फॉर शिकागो की अम्मा
विनीता
गुलापाली.
You know what? She always wears this beautiful smile. You know, आप किसी भी एज ग्रुप के हो, कभी भी हो, आपको कभी नहीं लगेगा she is not in your
नहीं माता
league,
जी,
you know. So,
माता जी.
I love you.
देखिए ये इनका प्यार हमारे से इतना है. ये देसी जंक्शन भी इनका बेटा है, FIA भी इनके बच्चे हैं, सुनील शाह भी इनका बच्चा है. मेरा बच्चा है तू सुनील, मेरा बच्चा है तू. जोरदार तालियां. The current board members of FIA, we will be introducing many other, but जोरदार तालियां. They deserve a big round of applause.
This is the FIA leadership that is making everything happen. Please put your hands together. Let's hear a round applause.
All right, and one guest of honor is here, and we would like to call them on stage.
So our first guest of honor tonight is our current Consulate General of India for Chicago, Mr. Somnath Ghosh. Mr. Somnath Ghosh is a career diplomat who
जोरदार
joined...
तालियां, जोरदार
Please,
तालियां.
sir.
Please welcome Mr. Somnath Ghosh onto the stage. He's been deployed in multiple positions across the world.
Yes, he's been an ambassador of India for many other countries, for foreign lands. And before taking the CG office in Chicago, he was heading the international cooperation in the Ministry of Defense in India. A graduate from IIT Kanpur.
Wow.
Let's welcome Mr. Ghosh.
जोरदार तालियां सोमनाथ घोष जी के लिए. So thank you Suresh bhai. We have an agenda to follow. Thank you for staying with us. And these dignitaries are here for a purpose, because tonight we are honoring some mothers. Correct? And we have divided this into 3 segments. So tonight for the first round, we want these dignitaries to recognize some mothers.
That's
Take
right. That's right. So we will have you on stage.
it. Ek step back. Okay. All right. So we will be recognizing some of the mothers, some of the known personalities of Chicago who've done multiple things. You know, Mohan, माँ का जो काम है बहुत मुश्किल है.
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल.
And in every language we have a name for mother. Let's see how many names you can say. Let's start with Ma, Ai, Amma, Mummy, Ba,
Bai.
Bai,
Mai.
Mai. Come on, what are the names? Maiya, Mateshwari, Bibi, Mama.
I think आप सब एक बहुत important नाम भूल गए घर में जो होता है boss.
That is right. तो घर की बॉस होती है माँ.
जी.
That's right. And tonight we will be honoring some of those. So are we ready for the first?
Yes. So to present, obviously, you know, we have all the FIA.
Yeah. So before we call these mothers onto stage, because it's Mother's Day, we want to ask Rita ji to sing 2 lines on this Mother's Day. Rita ji, 2 लाइनें आज आपके दिमाग में क्या आ रही हैं? And then we'll go to all our dignitaries.
Happy Mother's Day to all the beautiful mothers. माँ बच्चों की जान होती है, माँ बच्चों की जान होती है, वो होते हैं किस्मत वाले जिनकी माँ होती है. कितनी शीतल है, कितनी सुंदर है, न्यारी न्यारी है. ओ माँ, ओ माँ, ओ माँ, ओ माँ. Happy Mother's Day to all the beautiful, charming, caring, and loving mothers. Thank you so much.
Sunil Bhai, since Rita ji said something, we would like you also to say something on this auspicious occasion. Yes, especially the opening remarks for the evening.
First, I'd like to thank Jassi and Perry for a beautiful introduction and the great start to this very beautiful and auspicious event. Good evening. Feel so honored and privileged to welcome all the esteemed guests present over here. Honorable Consul General Somnath ji. We are expecting Congressman Raja Krishnamurthy. My dear friends from Obruk and Hanover Park, Suresh Reddy and Sayed Hussaini. Also, they are our advisory board members. Santosh ji with Metropolitan Asian Family Services, Anil Lumba ji, and many more present over here, entire FIA family. Today we are gathered here to celebrate Mother's Day. And also, it's a kick-off celebration for 70th Independence Day, which would be celebrating on August 16th at Matrix Club in Naperville. Kindly save the date. You all are invited to celebrate our country's 78th Independence Day. Mothers, as we know, are indispensable. They are so precious in our life, and I would say fortunate are those who have mothers. And I'm very thankful to all the mothers sitting over here. Today is a day we are paying a great tribute to all the mothers here, beginning with our Santosh Ma of Chicago. Also, our first president was Rita Singh. She's in Harvard right now, that's why she could not come for the studies. Followed by, after 10 years, we have another lady president, Vinita Gulabani. She did an amazing job as a president that brought a great momentum in our association, adding several members, and that right now, if you look at our membership, it's something very unique structure. We have about 200 plus just board members. And that's we requested her to continue the same thing, and that, and she's very graceful to put her time and energy and helping her current president, Pratibha. She's also doing a great and phenomenal work as a president. And I hope that she also will continue the same trend for the incoming presidents. So once again, I would like to invite you again, August 16th, and one more date, please save the date, that's June 23rd. Our association FI is celebrating International Yoga Day along with mindful meditation. Anu Malhotra, she's our executive vice president. Anu is also sitting over here. So you all are welcome to attend International Yoga Day at Naperville Yards in Naperville on June 23rd. So once again, thank you all very much for attending this great event. Thanks.
Thank you so much, Sunil Bhai, for saying all these wonderful words, and more power to all the FIA women. What do you think? Amazing, amazing. Now we're getting a little greedy because we have all of them here. So I would really request Mr. Neil Khote to say something for this evening, and whatever else you would like to add.
All right. Good evening, Chicago. Hope you're having a good time. How about a round of applause for the Desi Junction team that is working with FIA, Jassi Parmar, Bhairavi, Mohan Rawat, and the entire team that is making this event successful. FIA and Desi Junction goes back almost many years, almost a decade-old relation. And I hope they are not keeping you boring, otherwise we will not make their payments. Okay, so they're laughing. That means your payments will be cleared. All right, on the occasion of Mother's Day, as everyone knows, and I don't need to emphasize, without mothers, we wouldn't have been here. And as in our culture, we respect mother so much that she is above God. Equally, as we know, when we talk about India, we do not talk about it in male version of it. We call it as Dharti Ma. So the importance of mother in our entire culture is very, very vast, wide, and above God. So a round of applause for all the mothers who take so much hard work in making us, raising us, keeping the families together, and keeping the entire generation go further. And I think anything that we say less will never be complete for them. I'm equally proud to say I was raised by one of such mother who sacrificed her time and life and raised 3 wonderful children. And she is here. I would like to recognize Mrs. Aparna Khoth, my mother here in the crowd. Please stand up. All right. I'm very fortunate to have her in my life, even at this age and time. And so I think everybody who has their mother, make sure if they are here, hug them, give them a call. If they are not here, make sure you, on the way back, give a call to your mothers wherever they are in the world, because not everybody has the privilege to have a mother with them. So make sure that is done. Along with that, last but not the least, I think I would like to recognize all the wives that are here that makes mother for the husbands. So round of applause for the husband and the wives also that makes the mother. So there is equal role for the men also. So give a round of applause for them. And with that, let's continue on to the program. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. First of all, congratulations on Mother Day to all the mothers who are present here. And I also take this opportunity to congratulate FIA. In my last 1.5 years, I have been witnessing with great pleasure and admiration how FIA brings all the cream of Indian diaspora together many times a year. I have seen how Vinita ji worked. It's difficult to carry on, but there is Sunil ji, and with his experience, long experience and guidance, I am sure Pratibha ji will also keep this institution as vibrant and as effective as it has always been. Talking of Mother's Day, we cannot ever, overstate how important family is and the role of mother in that. My 2 kids, they go to school here, and many of those kids come from very affluent family. But many of them would not have 2 parents together for their kids. So I could see those kids who are from single parent family, what disadvantage they feel. And almost in each case, the single parent which is keeping hope, building this child, happen to be mother. The mothers are what made us. And I think coming from a more conservative society, Indian society, we should understand better than most. So thank you once again, mothers, for building family, and through building family, building society and the nations. This year, very soon, we are also going to celebrate the 77th anniversary of our independence. This is an extraordinary year. Normally, every 20 years, 28th year, we see India and United States going to elections together, same year. So this is that year. And stakes have never been higher than what today we feel. In both country, and not only in both country, for the entire world. India, United States, the world's largest 2 democracies, their partnership, their friendship, their work together will be most critical for the entire world, for its security, for its prosperity. And as I always say, you are the most important bridge between these 2 countries. So I look forward with great eagerness our 77th anniversary of independence, Yoga Day that has been already mentioned. We are also on the same Saturday, 22nd. We are organizing Yoga Day from the consulate. Please join us. And we should keep this year thriving. We should keep this year active. And through all these, we should serve the two countries we love so much. The country of our origin and the country most of you adopted. Thank you.
Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. Give a big round of applause for our dignitaries. Big round of applause. So, are we ready to present our first set of awards?
Yes, so since we have all of you on stage, we are going to announce the first set of award and the first award recipient, since we have Sunil Bhai, Pratibha ji, Vinita ji and Neil right on stage. We would like to invite the first award recipient, the First Lady of the CG office, Mrs. Anandita Ghosh.
Wow! Put your hands together for Mrs. Anandita Ghosh and our two volunteers on the stage, Falguni Sukhadia and Priya. Please come on the stage.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for Mrs. Anandita Ghosh.
Come on, guys, Chicago, you can do better than this. She's a mother. She's the First Lady of Chicago, Mrs. Anandita Ghosh. Thank you so much. Mrs. Ghosh, how are you feeling?
Very nice environment here. So many known people I can find. Thank you for your...
Thank you so much. Zordar taliyan Mrs. Ghosh ke liye. Thank you.
All right, people, so now let's not waste time and move on to another personality we have here among us. Mrs. Santosh Kumar, Executive Chairperson of Metropolitan Asian Family Services. I please request her to please be here on the stage so we can do the honors. Put your hands together for Mrs. Santosh Kumar.
Wow, she's been doing fantastic service for the community. Mrs. Santosh Kumar ko kaun nahi janta? You can, all the people can take the front stairs. सुनील भाई आज अकबर बादशाह लग रहे हैं. जोरदार तालियां, जोरदार तालियां.
Okay, and to the honors, I request Mrs. Rita Shah, along with Honorable Consul General Mr. Ghosh, to do the honors and present the trophy to Mrs. Santosh Kumar.
Mrs. Santosh Kumar from MAFS. Wow. Come on, guys. Zordar taliyan banti hai. Come on. Thank you. Thank you.
All right, may I please request Mr. Manish Gandhi. Mr. Manish Gandhi, do we have Mr. Manish Gandhi here? Manish Gandhi? आए हैं यहाँ पर आज?
Thank you, Santosh ji. Thank you so much.
Okay.
Zordar taliyan Santosh ji ke liye. Thank you so much.
Mr. Manish Gandhi, if you're here, please come on stage. Okay.
All right, so let's invite the next awardee, Mrs. Smita N. Shah, CEO Spantech Incorporation, Sister City Commission, New Delhi and Chicago. Do we have here
she's not
Smita N.
here.
Shah?
She's not here.
Okay, all right. So moving to the next person we have in lineup, Mrs. Sweetie Lumba. I'm sure a lot of people know who she is. Mrs. Sweetie Lumba, to the stage, please.
And who's doing the honors? Mrs. Sweetie Luma ke liye zordar taliyan.
Mrs. Rita Shah. Mrs. Sweetie Lumba is a prominent member of our Indian community. Wife of Mr.
Zordar
Anil
taliyan
Lumba.
Mrs. Lumba ke liye. Zordar taliyan. And Rita Shah will be doing the honors.
Now, may I request for another series of recognition and awards for our mothers from FIA and our community. I request Mrs. Asha Oroskar and Dr. Bhupendra Beri to join us on the stage to do the honors, please. Dr. Bhupendra Beri and Mrs. Asha Oroskar, are you here?
Yeah.
Asha ji and Dr. Beri.
Asha ji, please come on stage. Dr. Berry.
Asha Oroskar, she's here. Give it up for Asha Oroskar.
And Dr. Bhupendra
Dr.
Beri.
Bhupendra Beri.
Also, I would like to request Dr. Kruti Vyas. Dr. Kruti Vyas from Red Berry Corporation. She's also wife of Mr. Deepak Vyas. Is she here? Dr. Kruti, are you here? Oh, okay. She's not here right now. Okay, moving on. I now request Mrs. Purnima Brahmbhatt from High India. Purnima ji, aap yahan hain?
जोरदार तालियां मिसेस पूर्णिमा ब्रह्मभट्ट के लिए from High India.
Of course, people know she's wife of our very dear friend, Mr. Hemant Brahmbhatt. Hemant ji, aap yahan aaye hain? हाथ खड़ा कीजिए हवा में एक बार. शानदार. Very good. Good to see you. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, पूर्णिमा ब्रह्मभट्ट जी स्टेज पे आ चुकी हैं. आशा जी और डॉक्टर भूपेंद्र बेरी को मैं रिक्वेस्ट करना चाहूंगा. Please do the honors. Suresh bhai, we have your permission now. Can we move? Okay, very good. Thank you. All right. So now, may I please request Mrs. Pinky Tucker, the ever-smiling Pinky ji. कहाँ हैं आप? Where are you, Pinky ji? कहाँ हैं आप? देखिए, वाह, उनका ग्रुप लेके आई हैं ताली बजाने के लिए. शानदार. Pinky Tucker.
Okay, पिंकी ठक्कर के दोस्त जो हैं जोरदार तालियां मारें.
शाबाश.
क्या ये अपना ग्रुप साथ लेके आती हैं?
साथ लेके आती हैं.
Okay, yes, Pinky group.
Also, I would like to request Mr. Nag Jaiswal, मेरे ठीक सामने बैठे हैं, Mr. Jaiswal, to join us on the stage to do the honors.
Raja. Yes. Mr. Ghosh, can we have you back? Raja wants to take a picture with you on the stage. Nag Jaiswal, Pinky Thakkar.
All right, now may I please request Kanan Dhingra, wife of Mr. Om Dhingra. आप यहाँ पर हैं? Kanan ji, are you here? Do we have her here or no? She's here? Okay.
Kanan Dhingra. She's the recipient?
Yes, she is. She's the
Okay.
representative.
Give it up for Mrs. Dhingra, ladies and gentlemen. All right, जोरदार तालियां Mrs. Dhingra के लिए. Mrs. Dhingra is here. ये इधर Mrs. Dhingra के लिए अवार्ड है. Raja, thank you so much. Really appreciate it. Good luck. अच्छा. Okay, here's the award for Mrs. Dhingra. Suresh bhai, let's take a picture. All right. Give it up. Zordar taliyan.
Welcome, sir. Thank you.
Come on.
All right, now may I please request Mrs. Promila Kumar. Promila Kumar, she belongs to a not-for-profit organization, a beautiful organization called Sanjeevani. She's a very prominent member of our Indian community doing such wonderful work in the world of theater and everything else.
Thank you.
Mrs. Pramila Kumar.
Pramila ji ke liye zordar taliyan. She's been doing fantastic job for the Indian community. Zordar taliyan Pramila ji ke liye.
Also, अगर यहाँ पर अपर्णा खोट जी आई हैं, अपर्णा आंटी आप यहाँ रहे हैं? Please join us on the stage, please. Thank you.
Mrs. Aparna Khot, mother of Neil Khot, onto the stage, please.
And Mr. Hitesh Gandhi.
Mr. Hitesh Gandhi, onto the stage, please. And Mohan, who's the recipient of the award?
The recipient of the award is Mrs. Pramila Kumar.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, this is mother of Neil Khot. जोरदार तालियां. आंटी जी अवार्ड देंगी प्रोमिला जी को. All right, thank you so much. Thank you, Auntie ji.
So let's move on to the last set of awards. May I please request Ms. Vinita Gulabani and Shirley G to please come on stage. And this next award is being given to this wonderful, wonderful lady who is taking care of her elderly mom. She is there for her children, was a nursing graduate and doing so much good work. Please give it up for Asha Raj Khanna.
All right,
Asha Raj
जोरदार
Khanna.
तालियां. Asha Khanna.
She's been in this country for a long time, came here with a nursing degree. She's taking care of the community, taking care of her elderly mom. She's been there for her children. What better than this personality to be awarded on Mother's Day? Vinita ji and Shirley ji are honoring Asha Raj Khanna today with this award on Mother's Day.
जोरदार तालियां. Give a big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you so much.
Thank you everybody so much for being on stage.
You say a word, please. Anything that you feel.
Thanks to all FIA members, especially Vanita, which I known her for years, more than 20 plus years, you know, and this is a great honor to me and my family. Even though it is for all the mothers, because every mother loves their kids and grandkids, you know, but this is really, I have no words. I have no words for the thanks and appreciate your all the efforts. And thank you so much.
जोरदार तालियां.
Most wonderful women I know, Asha ji, Asha Khanna. Give a big round of applause for her. A wonderful lady in the world.
ये
Thank
विनोद
you.
आप विनोद खन्ना जी को जानती हैं?
राजेश खन्ना जी
राजेश खन्ना को जानती हैं?
हाँ बुलाइए.
राजेश खन्ना जी आए हैं?
हाँ राजेश खन्ना जी आइए तो.
राजेश खन्ना will be here, so ladies and gentlemen, जाना मत, अभी बुलाएंगे. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Congratulations to the awardee. Thank you so much.
राजेश खन्ना जी आप आ रहे हैं उन्हें लेने?
Okay, पूरी खन्ना family is here. The grandkids are here. Give a big round of applause for the Khanna family, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
ठीक है.
I'll take it, Vinita ji.
Thank you. They are a little shy to come onto stage. Okay, next.
Yeah. May we please have Meghna Bansal and Dr. Berry here on stage? Meghna Bansal and Dr. Berry.
Dr. Berry and Meghna Bansal on stage, please.
This next award is being presented by Meghna Bansal, Dr. Berry and Shirley Ji to Mini Multani. Mini Multani, the organizer of Tiyada Mela yearly. Who doesn't know Mini Multani Ji?
Ladies and gentlemen, आपने तियादा मेला का नाम सुना है?
मैंने सुना है, मैंने.
Come on, shout it out for Mini Multani. मैंने इनसे पूछा गुलजार भाई कहाँ हैं, इनके हस्बैंड. कहती आज पंजाब दी शेरनी कल्ली काफी है. Give it up for पंजाब दी शेरनी. Mini Multani, yes.
Punjab the Sherni with Gujarat the Lion.
All right. This Multani family is always standing whenever there's an Indian community event. Kuch bolo. Please.
Thank you to the presenters. Thank you.
Happy Mother's Day to every beautiful, gorgeous ladies. You all looking so beautiful. And thank you, FAA, to invite us. And thank you so much. Have a blessed night. Thank you.
Okay, thank you so much and congratulations to the winner. Asha Roskar ji, may we have you on stage again, please? Asha Roskar.
And Hitesh Gandhi on stage. Hitesh Gandhi.
Always ready to be on the stage. Mr. Hitesh
हितेश
Gandhi.
भाई पहले तो आप ये बताओ इतने दिन कहाँ थे आप?
अरे भाई थोड़ा काम था कभी कभी होता है ऐसा But I'm back in the business now, guys. I'm back in the business.
Okay, Hitesh Gandhi is back, ladies and gentlemen, and Asha ji is also back on stage. Asha ji.
So this next award is being presented to Dr. Sunita Narang.
Dr. Sunita Narang.
A very prominent community member, very prominent leader. Please give it up for Dr. Sunita Narang, being awarded by Hitesh Gandhi and Asha Aroskar ji. Congratulations to the winner. Congratulations, Dr. Narang. Thank you to the presenters.
Thank you so much. Thank you, thank you.
May we please have Mr. Syed Hussaini on stage?
Syed Hussaini ji.
And Kirti Ravuri.
Kirti Ravuri, is he here?
Kirti Ravuri and Syed Hussaini, please.
Dr. Ashok Mehta, please. Can we have you on stage? Dr. Ashok Mehta. Dr. Mehta ke liye zordar taaliyan, ladies and gentlemen.
The next winner of the Mother's Day Award is Millie Jain. Millie
Dr. Shah, thank you so
Jain.
much.
Congratulations, Miss Millie Jain. She is the advisory board member of FIA.
Zordar taaliyan. Woohoo! And the recipient is?
Miss Millie Jain.
Millie Jain ke liye zordar taaliyan. Millie ji, what do you want to say?
I would like to say thank you so much, and I love this community. So I was just talking to a friend over there that this community brings that India together. So thank you for putting this show. Thank you for bringing everybody together, and we absolutely love this. So thank you, and thank you to you guys for making it so special.
Thank you.
Dr. Mehta, please stay on stage.
Thank you. I'm very, very impressed what FIA is doing for the community, planning all the events. And any event I have been to, they have been top of the line. And keep up good works, Sunil ji and Pratibha ji. Thank you for inviting me, and I will love to be part of FIA. And I'm very, very proud of what FIA is doing. And happy Mother's Day to all the mothers.
Thank you, Dr. Mehta. Just please stay so you can give the award to our next recipient. May we please have on stage Advisory Board Member of FIA, Mrs. Smita Shah.
Smita Shah, please come on stage. And President FIA, Pratibha ji, please come on to stage.
Smita Shah, Mrs. Smita Shah.
And Kirti Ravuri is also here. Kirti bhai, come on to stage. Give it up for Kirti Ravuri. Woohoo! How are you? Thank you so much. Thank you. कीर्ति भाई के लिए जोरदार तालियां. Let's take a picture.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, all of you. Congratulations, Mrs. Smita Shah.
All right. And ladies and gentlemen, guess what? This is the last award for tonight. उसके बाद में धूम धड़ाका होने वाला है.
बिल्कुल, क्योंकि उसके बाद हमारे पास होने वाली है धमाकेदार परफॉर्मेंस वापस.
Yes.
पायल रॉय गांगुली की.
Payal Roy Ganguly Group, can you please get ready? Payal Roy Ganguly Group. Go ahead.
Okay. So do we have Vijay and Cynthia Prabhakar in the room? So the last and final award for the evening goes to Sukhi Singh.
Sukhi Singh. Woohoo! Is Sukhi Singh here?
May we have Sukhi ji on stage, please?
Oh, Sukhi ji, Sat Sri Akal, क्या बात है, looking good. Sukhi ji के लिए जोरदार तालियां. Great job. And the award is here. Kirti bhai, Berry saab. Another Punjaban on the stage, Sukhi Singh ke liye zordar taaliyan. They are making us proud. Sukhi ji, what do you want to say? Kuch keh do, kuch keh do. Punjabi ch chak do. Boli pa do.
Come on.
Thank you very much, FIA, for inviting us and giving all the mother this opportunity to have a get together like this. We really love you. So keep up the good work, and we're looking forward the Star Night.
Big round of applause for Sukhi ji. Congratulations. Very well deserved.
And 3. Thank you. Thank you so much. Kirti bhai, what do you want to say to this audience?
Jesse, you are electrifying the entire Ashana banquets. Please, ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for this dynamic voice, Jesse. I can't hear you.
Thank you, thank you, thank you.
The best organizer, the best MC in Chicago that at least I know, Jesse and team. How wonderful.
Okay, can we have Archana Agarwal on stage? Archana Agarwal on stage, please. Archana Agarwal and Sudhir Agarwal. Is he here? Sudhir? Archana ji, Sudhir bhai slow क्यों हैं?
नहीं वो राजा है ना तो उसी हिसाब से आते हैं. शाही है ना, शाही पर्सन. Give a big round of applause for Sudhir Agarwal. अरे यार बजा लो. Thank you so much. So what are we here for? Oh my goodness. Oh, that's a big surprise.
Big congratulations for this special award.
This is a great honor. Please put your hands together for Archana Agarwal and Sudhir Agarwal. Yay! Woohoo! Woohoo!
Happy Mother's Day and congratulations. You're looking lovely, ma'am. Looking lovely. Thank you. And thank you so much, all the dignitaries. Thank you so much, FIA leadership.
All right. And we want to recognize some ladies.
Yep.
जो बहुत सज धज के आई हैं.
किसके लिए?
सज धज के कौन-कौन आया है? स्पेशली क्राउन पहन के आए हैं.
सज धज के आए हैं यहाँ पे बहुत सारे लोग.
हाँ.
एक क्राउन वाली यहाँ बैठी है.
Come on, Mrs. India.
संस्कृति को बुलाया जाए.
Absolutely. Come on.
उसके साथ एक और क्राउन वाली बैठी है. सेरा को बुलाया जाए.
सेरा के लिए जोरदार तालियां.
And let's also have the third beautiful lady with the crown, Shraddha. Please come on stage.
श्रद्धा के लिए जोरदार तालियां. Ladies and gentlemen, ये तो 3 हैं मिस जोरदार तालियां. बट आप में से भी कई लोग प्रिंसेस समझते होंगे अपने आप को.
बिल्कुल.
जो प्रिंसेस समझती हैं, प्लीज कम ऑन टू स्टेज. यस, लेट्स टेक अ पिक्चर.
प्लीज गो.
मोहन, ये ब्यूटीज के साथ पिक्चर लेने का कभी-कभी मौका मिलता है, खिंचवा लो.
ये एक मिनट. ये जो नई ब्यूटी एंड द बीस्ट आ रही है, उसका पोस्टर है. Wait, not your turn without me.
मैं फोटो में इसलिए नहीं आ रहा था क्योंकि इनको कॉम्प्लेक्स ना हो जाए.
That's okay. Okay. And we need okay, 3 best dancers will be getting $50 gift certificate right now.
Each
best dancers USA फिल्म्स की तरफ से उनको $50 का गिफ्ट सर्टिफिकेट. भाई आप ऊपर आइए. आपका नाम क्या है? रमेश जी के लिए जोर तालियां. रमेश पोडादार. हम 3 गिफ्ट कार्ड्स देने वाले हैं, $50 ईच. यस, तो 3 की जगह 5 लेडीज को बोल रहे हैं. 5 people will be getting $50 award. Payal will be on stage, and whoever does the best performance, they will be getting, and Payal will be picking one winner. Payal, please come on stage.
Yeah. So on your song, whoever dances the best, that's fine. So you will have the music, And when you decide who's the best dancer to your song, we will give them a prize.
ऑलराइट, सो एक जो अवार्डी जिनका नाम हमने बोला था वो यहाँ नहीं थी उस समय, मिसेस सुग्गा इज हियर. ऑलराइट, सुग्गा बिल्डर को कौन नहीं जानता? प्लीज आइए, आप आगे आइए, थोड़ा टेक अ स्टेप बैक. अभी रुकिए, बीच में आइए.
Mother's Day.
Congratulations for the special award. Congratulations, Mrs. Sugga.
मिसेस सुग्गा एंड जसबीर पाजी इज हियर. और जसबीर पाजी बाहर गए कहीं?
वो पैसे बनाने में लगे हुए हैं.
अच्छा, सुग्गा साहब बना रहे हैं.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, everybody. Okay, after this last picture, we need to make some room for Payal's group, okay?
Yes. All right. And thank you so much. Thank you. And after this, thank you, ladies. Thank you so much. And we want you to start the dance floor. You will be leading the dance floor. Sunil bhai, we want you on dance. नहीं, सुनील भाई को नहीं ले जा सकते. ये इनके साथ डांस करना है. Thank you.
Thank you, beautiful ladies. Thank you so much. Shraddha, Sanskriti, Sarah, thank you.
Happy Mother's Day. 1, 2, 3. Happy Mother's Day. Mother's Day. Happy Mother's Day. Happy Mother's Day.